What twisted game is the German playing now? Perhaps he wishes me to dwell ever further upon the inevitable. Where are you leading us, Dr. Toten? Damn! His classic Russian punchline. Power done. Now we can go about getting ourselves killed in some elaborate fashion. Enough waiting. We go straight into neck of battle. Oh, one piece of Nikolai. This almost makes me forget aim of being alive.
It's a bit brisk out tonight. Should probably put a coat on. Wait! What on Newton's balls is going on? Oh, bugger! Not these things again! Look what you've done to my knife! I'm going to have to clean that! Hello? Anyone else here? Just to be crystal clear, I don't want to hear from those of you who might identify as necrotic. Oh, I've got an absolute bastard of a headache, and this banging isn't helping. A lot better than the job I did on last year's turkey. Oh, look! It's kind of adorable.
Well, I started to get worried the very second the lady said pray for your safe return.
The fire of Ra has been claimed!
But now, I understand her extra ominous tone. Do not feel shame. I learn from the best. I have seen some depictions of gladiatorial combat alongside some of the pictorials I have been featured in. I remember one very vividly. I had a small mustache.
Me llamo Diego y soy un gladiador.
A contender calls the champions of Ra!
I do not like how big that one is. Don't like his axes either. His fat, on the other hand, is full of beauty. Someone new has entered the fight. He looks like he wants to.
At least I can find some comfort fiddling with my golden rod! Eat my knife! I dare you! environment stifled. I would have been so much happier if I was floating and bouncing around on the moon right now. You're welcome! Mine hands were not designed for manual labor, but labor they must. Fond as I am of dingy, lifeless environments, I would fare better with a little bit of electricity. Hello, Power Switch! I'm coming to find you! Return to the earth and rot! Charge! Stand clear! Stab, stabby, stab, stab! I do like flipping switches. It's always fun.
Let's talk of the situation, shall we? Either someone's doped me with opium or completely off my chump. Then again, in the land of the blind, the one-eyed man is king. Pardon? Didn't mean to cut you off there. Yes, a small moment in which I may catch my breath. The good news is that the enemy are not terribly bright. The bad news, they appear to be dead already. This reminds me of a wonderful story. Oh, too dead to listen. Double points. Alistair, my friend, I know not if you're safe, or if you become one of these poor wretched flesh devils. But I do know you still throw one hell of a party! The Viper and Dragon feel primed for battle. So now, it's magic smelling salts. What a night this is.
Gentlemen, and to use the term loosely, give me just 1 second to properly greet you. Once again, I face overwhelming odds to free a lovely woman from the chains of oppression. Or as I like to call it, Tuesday. carve my own path.
Insta-kill.
Why can I not stop thinking about Scarlet? She's not like any woman I have ever met. She's utterly immune to my charms. That is all you deserve. The Viper and Dragon are legendary and ready. Look at that statue of Apollo. Now look at me. Separated at birth.
So, I stand alone. Surely Richtofen had somehow tricked me into shouldering this burden. That is exactly the kind of thing he would do. You got too close. Whatever has become of my former allies, I must follow guidance of Chronorium. There is much to do, and much to be undone. I'm in no mood for you! The elemental shard is here somewhere. Only with it in my possession can we take steps that must be taken. That was for no reason in particular. Path of Sorrows, ready. Little static shock there.
Power restored. Stand by for facility status.
Oh, this must be good for digestion.
Great! We swapped freezing our butts off in a cryopod for freezing our butts off in the great outdoors. Whoopee. Look at those uniforms! How long have these deadheads been here? You didn't see that coming, did you? shitheads don't seem slowed down any by the extreme cold. Huh. Guess they all got used to the rigor mortis. I'm Misty. Meet my knife, Twisty. I sure hope Stuhlinger's crazy pals are gonna make contact soon. Because if they really want this Agarthan device, they're gonna have to offer up some kind of assistance.